What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. Now, you guys do know I have the OnePlus 7 Pro in the house, and I'm going to be coming out with an ample amount of videos based on the 7 Pro. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 missing features on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So, without further delay, let's dive right in. So, starting off with number 1, wireless charging. The OnePlus 7 Pro does not have wireless charging, and for me that's kind of a big letdown since my Galaxy S8 had wireless charging, the new iPhones have it, a lot of phones nowadays have wireless charging, and it definitely cuts back from cost since the OnePlus 7 Pro starts at $669 and goes up to $750, but OnePlus does make it up for its 30-watt warp charge. I literally don't need to charge this when I go to sleep at night, wake up in the morning, plug it in the charger for 15-20 minutes, and I'm all set for the day. But then again, it would have been more convenient if it had wireless charging. I have a wireless charger at home, a wireless charger in my car. So that's a big letdown. But warp charging does get the job done. Number 2 is the continuation of a lack of a headphone jack. Now OnePlus, up until the 6T, they would ask their community if it was worth having a headphone jack. But they got rid of that with the 6T, and it continues with the 7. Now, my Galaxy S8 had a headphone jack, and I actually would use it. Now, there was an instance a couple days ago where I didn't have my Bluetooth headphones. All I had were my normal headphones, but I don't even have an adapter to use those headphones, so I wasn't able to use anything, which was kind of a bummer. And that's probably another big letdown in the OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus in general, that they got rid of the headphone jack. But I guess that's the new trend. Samsung might be ditching that with the Galaxy Note 10. The number 3 is a missing feature that OnePlus never really integrated, and you can find on phones like Samsung and LG, and that is a micro SD card slot. You can't expand storage on this, but then again, 256 gigabytes on top tier model gets the job done. I mean, I had 64 gigs on my old phone, never used all of it up. So I think 256 gigs is more than enough. Number 4 is water resistance. Now OnePlus doesn't have the official IP rating, but a couple splashes, a couple raindrops will not affect it. Now the reason why OnePlus didn't include an official IP rating is because it would cause the phone to be more expensive, about $20 to $30 more expensive per unit. Now, a lot of people on YouTube have done tests on its water resistance, and it gets the job done. So even if it doesn't have an official IP rating, I guess you can still say it's water resistant. So there's no need to worry about that. Number 5 is one that caught me by surprise. Now, you guys know the OnePlus 7 Pro has a triple rear camera setup. One main camera, one wide angle, and one 3x zoom, telephoto, you name whatever it is. Now the wide angle, okay, it gets the job done when you're taking photos, but for video, you can't record with the wide angle lens. And OnePlus did come out and say, as of right now, they're not planning to release any software update for support for using the wide angle lens for video, which is kind of a bummer. It's awesome. When I take photos with this wide angle lens, I get amazing photos, but it would have been just amazing to use it for video as well. Now, looking at all of those missing features, the 7 Pro still is an amazing phone, and especially for its price, this is still considered a flagship. Triple rear camera setup, and now it came out with its new camera update. Amazing quality. It's got its fingerprint sensor, quick face unlock. It's got its Quad HD Fluid AMOLED display, which is running at 90 Hertz. This phone is insanely smooth, insanely buttery. USB-C warp charge, 30 watts, dual stereo speakers, amazing software. It handles everything. So far I've been using this for almost 2 weeks. I've yet to come out with my review, but in the meantime, this is an amazing phone. So even for its missing features, the OnePlus 7 Pro does make up for that. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to comment down below, Superman that like button, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.